Hello everyone and welcome to a new Vespa GTS vlog. Today we are taking my Vespa GTS, a Bucharest ride, a sporty ride. Let's go. It is Saturday, 26 degrees Celsius outside, a beautiful weather, a beautiful day. We have nice traffic and we're all set. Let's go. So right now we have some protests in front of the government. I don't know why or what is this protest about. So in my opinion, this GTS 300 is fast, not extremely fast, but it's fast. And I almost always start first from a stoplight, almost every time. Which is very satisfying in my opinion. Okay, so let me quickly show you a nice statue in front of the University of Defense of Bucharest, Carol I. So just look at this statue. Today is not only about Vespas, it's about nice places in Bucharest. Very nice statue, as you can see. And in front of me we have a food festival. So in front of the University of Defense we have a food festival, because why not Romania? Okay, so my range suddenly dropped to nothing. Basically now I have nothing in my fuel tank, but 1 minute ago I had 25 kilometers of range, so I don't know what's the deal with my fuel tank, but we'll see now. We are going to a fuel station. Okay, so not as I expected. So I had the remaining 2 liters with a range of 0. What do you guys think? But I don't think it's normal. So going out from this Lukoil gas station is like going out from a Formula 1 pit stop. So in front of me, on my right, you will see the People's Palace, or the People's House, or the Parliament's House, or Parliament's Palace, how you want to call it. On my right. So if I ride my GTS 300 in a sportier manner, I don't have more than 170 kilometers of range. Not good, not terrible. So guys, thanks for watching my vlogs. My name is Liviu, and until next time, don't forget to subscribe, like, hit that bell button to see whenever I'm posting something, and have a nice weekend. Bye bye.